Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start inside YouTube Studio. Go to Content and open the Copyright tab to see the claim details. Note exact timestamps and whether the claim is manual or automated. That determines your pathway. Next, collect proof, license emails, original upload dates, or fair use rationale, because YouTube asks for supporting facts. Once done, choose your action. Dispute if you have rights or submit a counter notification only when safe. Make sure you understand the legal stakes before proceeding. Now you craft the dispute itself. Select the precise reason, licensed use, misidentified owner, or fair use, since choosing wrong can delay resolution. Then attach clear evidence, a license PDF, registration number, or original upload proof, and highlight timestamps in your explanation. Explain calmly and factually why you have the right to use the material. Avoid emotional language or threats. After reviewing everything, submit the dispute and note the response deadline. After submission, monitor the claim's status and watch for the claimant's response. They typically have 30 days to uphold or release the claim. If your dispute is rejected, consider a counter notice only if you're certain of your rights, because that can trigger legal escalation. When in doubt, consult a lawyer. If you hit repeat automated flags or false claims, escalate through YouTube's appeal and policy forms and contact creator support for manual review. One troubleshooting tip: keep all versioned files and timestamps ready in case you must reprove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.